Hello and welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Maverick X3 and we're going to be doing an oil change and basic service. Here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is start it up and let it warm up a little bit to ensure a complete and rapid drain. For this service I will be using the BRP oil change kit. I will need a 17mm for the drain plug and the rear diff, an 8mm Allen key for the front diff, and an 8mm socket for the oil filter cover. The drain plug is located on the rear right side of the vehicle, in this hole right here. While the engine oil is draining, I'm going to remove the oil filter cover. It is located on the right side of the vehicle, right here. Now that I've removed the old oil filter, I can install the new one, rubber side down into the motor. Before I reinstall the cover, I'm going to replace the O-ring with the new one provided in the kit. Remember to put a little bit of oil on your new O-ring to prevent it from getting pinched as you reinstall the cap. If you're finding this one useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and smash that thumbs up. It really goes a long way to helping out the channel. Now I can reinstall the oil drain plug using the new crush washer provided in the kit. Now that the drain plug and the oil filter are back in the machine, we can refill the oil. The oil fill and check is located on the left side of the machine. Coming in from the rear right here, you can see the yellow cap. That is the oil fill and check. Since the location of the oil fill is a little bit hard to get to, I'm going to use my funnel with about 2 feet of hose on it. I'm going to go down through this hole in the rear rack here and straight into the oil fill. The kit provides me with 4 liters of oil. I'm going to dump about 3.5 in there, I'll double check it, and then I'm going to have to fire the machine up and double check it once again. Now that I've warmed the machine up again, I can double check the oil. Perfect. It took about 3.3 liters. Next, we're going to take a look at our air filter. The air filter is located on the driver's side of the vehicle, behind this cover, right here. This air filter doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna give it a quick blowout with the airline from the inside out, and then we'll put her back in. Okay, after a quick blowout, this air filter is ready to go back in. Next, we're going to check the rear diff oil. The rear diff plug is located on the right side of the vehicle, and it is a plastic 17 mil plug located right here. The front diff is an 8 mil Allen key, and it can be reached from the right side of the vehicle as well. It is located right here. The front diff oil should be level with the bottom of the hole, and it should look clean and clear. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my oil change and basic service on the Can-Am Maverick X3. Stay safe out there.